Yeah, boy. Nice.
What's up, people? You are watching Deck of Codes, and I'm Priyank Nair, and Happy New Year to all of you. So, let's start the new year with a new video that's based on list. Now, I'm going to teach you about list in Python. Basically, क्या list क्या होता है and बाकी बाद में देखेंगे. चलो, मैंने मेरा रेपल बना चुका हूँ list करके. So, what is list? List मतलब कोई भी आइटम्स या कोई भी नंबर्स या कोई भी स्ट्रिंग एक साथ एक लिस्ट में डाला उसे लिस्ट बोलते हैं. सी इफ आई राइट लेट्स से फूड कोड हाँ एंड इफ आई से इट्स मैकडोनल्ड्स MC and then I say Burger King, then I say Pizza Hut, then I say Domino's, then I say KFC. So this is my list. Food list, you have to put it in square braces. Inside every element there should be a comma. See, McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Domino's, ये मेरा food court है, and that's my list of all the food courts in my food court, food stalls in my food court. So now this is a list. See, if I write print type of food court and if I run it, it will show me class list. See, वो एक list है, it's a list. Now how to access any element from the list? So like strings में बताता ना, there is an index starting from 0 and ending till the number of elements in the list or string. You can access that by putting it in a square braces. For example, like food and if I write 0th, तो 0th index पे क्या है? McDonald's. So if I print this, it will show me food court of 0th index is McDonald's. See, and if I print just food court, and if I run it, it will show me the entire list. See, McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Domino's, KFC. Understood? And if I want to access second element, so just write 1. I mean the first and the second. Second, the index will be 1. So if I run it, see, Burger King. And if I want to access from Burger King till Domino's, मतलब 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Index 1, index 2 and index 3. So I will put semicolon, full colon and then till 4. Fourth one will not be included. So 1, 2, 3 include होगा. See, Burger King, Pizza Hut and Domino's. Understood? This is how you divide the food court list in smaller lists. Understood? Like if I say burger and burger में है McDonald's and Burger King, तो I will write food court and then 0 and 1 na. So I will write 0 colon 1, and if I print burger, let's write pizza as well. Then PIZZA equal to food court. Pizza is from 0, 1, 2 and 3 na. So we'll write pizza is from 2 till 4. Understood? Here also I'll write till 2 because the 0, 1, 2 वाला नहीं आएगा. And if I print here print pizza, and if I run it, see, McDonald's, Burger King is burger, Pizza Hut, Domino's. Acha, let me print in a better way. So I will write a formatted string f, then is burger stall is, and I will put this in curly braces and I will end the comma, and I'll print this. I'll copy this, print this, not burger but pizza. Pizza stalls is nahi R, and I'll write pizza, and if I run it, see, burger stalls are McDonald's and Burger King, pizza stalls are Pizza Hut and Domino's. Okay, so this is how you can access any element from the list. So this is a list, 5 एलिमेंट है. So let's see list में कौन कौन सा functions आता है. So if I write print dictionary of list नहीं, write food code, and if I run it, see, food code में आता है clear, append means add, copy, count, extend, index, insert. So ये सब, these are all the functions. So let me show you some functions. See, for example, if I want to add, append is to add something to the list. So if I want to add Taco Bell in my food code, okay, चलो मेरा food code में Taco Bell भी चाहिए. So if I write food code dot append, and if I write Taco Bell, TACO space BELL, Taco Bell, and now if I print food code, and if I run it, see, here it's McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Domino's, KFC and Taco Bell. Now if I want to add Taco Bell in the center, right, Burger King के बाद चाहिए मेरे को. So now append means it will always append at the last of the string, बीच में नहीं. So you have a thing called insert. Like if I write if I just append, if I write food code dot insert, and if I write Jimmy's Burger, here in Mumbai there is a burger place called Jimmy's Burger, so I will just write it after Burger King. So insert, I have to insert it in which index? 0. This is the 0th index, this is the first index. Now you have to insert it on the second index. So I will write 2 comma, and here I will write Jimmy's Burger, and if I run it, see, oh sorry, I have to print it as well. Print food code, and if I run it, see, Burger King on the second index, here came the Jimmy's Burger. Now there are some more, like if you want to add to list, you just have to put plus in it. Like if I write is sweets, now in sweets I have another list. In that list I have naturals ice cream, and then I have mad over donuts. I'll just write MOD. Okay, so these are 2 sweet stalls. So if I want a food mall with all the stalls in it, so I'll write food mall equal to, just write food code plus sweets. Now if I print food mall, and if I run it, see, it will show me all the food courts and the sweet shops in it. See, naturals and ice cream is also added. Let me show you about index. See, if I want to find, let's say, index of Pizza Hut, let's say, so I'll write food code dot index, and if I write Pizza Hut, sorry, Pizza Hut. And then if I'll just print this. Food code dot index of, and if I run it, see, it will show me 3. The index is 3. If I want to find how many stalls I have in my food mall, I have a food mall, I have to see how many stalls are there. So I'll just write, I'll just save in another variable called stalls. So number of stalls, let's say number of stalls, okay, and I'll just write food mall and dot, not dot, I'll just get the length of it. len is length of food mall का length कितना है. So if I run it, I have to print it, print what? Number of stalls. And if I run it, see, it's 9. There are 9 stalls in my food mall. You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So itna hi nahi, you can make list with different class objects like integer and string. You can club together in a list. Like if I write A is a list, and in that list if I write 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So this is also a list. ये भी list है जिसमें पहले 3 element is a integer and the last 3 element is a string. So you can make the list like this as well. And suppose मेरे को McDonald's नहीं पसंद, मेरे को पसंद है like डोसा. If I like dosa, I don't like McDonald's. So if I in my food code, if I just want dosa in it, so McDonald's क्या है? McDonald's का index क्या है? 0, हाँ, equal to I want dosa. Say dosa. Yes. So this will replace McDonald's with dosa. Simple सी बात. डोसे की McDonald's की जगह डोसा आ जाएगा. Now if I print food code, and if I run it, see, it will come dosa. McDonald's हट गया है. Now there is one more thing. अभी ऐसा all the functions you can use in it, like count is also same like length, but it's a function of list. Then index, then remove is also thing like you don't want McDonald's at all. So if I just write food code dot remove, and if I write here McDonald's, suppose McDonald's McDonald's, it will remove McDonald's fully. मतलब McDonald's हट जाएगा, खाली Burger King आ जाएगा. Now here food code 0 is dosa. So let's say dosa. McDonald's नहीं, dosa ही हटा देता हूँ. हाँ, dosa. So dosa पूरा हट जाएगा. Now there is reverse. सीधा food code, the entire list will be reversed. You can do whatever you want with the list. Like food code dot reverse, and we don't have to put any argument in the reverse brackets, just food code dot reverse. And if I print food code, see what you will see. Let's see Taco Bell पहले आ गया क्योंकि Taco Bell पहले से ऐड किया था KFC, and last में डोसा हट गया. There is no dosa over there, not even McDonald's, because we have removed dosa. So this is all in lists. You can play with it. Almost मैंने सब बता दिया है. And that's it for today. Happy New Year to everyone. और next में we will start with if. मज़ा आएगा if, then for. That all are very interesting topics. ये next will be if, उसके बाद का for रहेगा, looping statements बाद में रहेगा, इसके पहले if statements रहेगा, conditional statements बोलते हैं उसे. So thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.